Hi everyone! In today's easy tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick demo on ChatGPT. Welcome to the channel. Let's dive into it. ChatGPT is very easy to use. So to simply ask a question, I'm going to use this box and let me ask a simple question first. And let's hit enter to get an answer. A great thing about ChatGPT, you can ask follow-up questions. So let me show you that as well. And let's hit enter once more. And here's the answer to our follow-up question. So here you can access your previous search queries. Just simply click on them. So let me show you another example. To simply start a new conversation, click on new chat. So this time I'm going to ask something more subjective and let's hit enter. And here's our story. ChatGPT automatically names your previous search, but clicking on this pen button, you can rename them and let's hit enter to save it. So by clicking clear conversations, you can erase your search history, and by clicking dark mode you can activate the dark mode. So let me show you one more thing. So I'm going to click on here, and if you are not satisfied with your answer, you can simply click on regenerate response and get a new answer. Let me show you one more thing. This time I'm going to click here. So let's say I didn't like this story. I'm going to click regenerate, and then you decided that's enough for you. You can simply click on stop generate, and that's a quick demo on ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others to find this video as well. Thank you for watching.